September 24th, 2014, Miguel Dorada here at the IBOP Vaults. We're going to do a little bit of a women's combat sports betting blog. We got a lot of women's MMA and a lot of women's boxing, and I'd like to see the books start carrying lines for this stuff, basically. There really is a lot of competition out there. It is competition. It's not just for show anymore. The women are really competing in an active sport, and I'd love to see it pick up. Want to go through the calendar. This weekend on September 27th in Moscow, we've got a rematch. It's a world WBA light welterweight title fight between Anna Lara Estechi and Svetlana Kulikova. They fought to a draw the last time. It was in Moscow. Estechi's the champion. She's going over there to try to defend the belt again. If they put up a line for this, I expect her to be an underdog on it. It's a tough call to go over to Russia and win, and she's light hitting. She doesn't have a lot of knockouts, so she's going to have to win on the cards, and again, that might be tough on the road. But that's a very interesting fight, world title fight, WBA right there. A little bit further down the line, staying with boxing, on the 25th of October, we've got Suzy Ramadan facing Yasmin Rivas, and this is also a rematch, and also has some title implications here. Yasmin has the belt. Suzy Ramadan used to have the belt, and they fought before with Rivas coming out on top. Ramadan is undefeated except for that fight, so very compelling fight among two of the best right there. Perhaps the most interesting of all coming up on calendars in November 11th, we've got Delphine Person in Belgium taking on Diana Prazak, and this is really an interesting fight. They're both rated number one in their weight classes, and Prazak is coming up to meet the champion there in Person. Person's going to be bigger, taller. She's a tough fighter, takes a lot of punishment to dish it out, and she puts out a lot of high volume punches. So Prazak's going to go in there. Prazak is a big puncher. Prazak also is technically more sound, a lot more technical and precise in her movements and in her positioning as well as in her punching. So that could be a pick 'em fight anywhere any of the books decide to carry it. Just want to point out some of the women's boxing out there. There's tons of it, and here are 3 title fights coming up in short order here that the books could be paying attention to. Not to mention, on the MMA side, in November, we've got Invicta doing their 9th show. Invicta's an all-women's MMA card, and they are being carried on the UFC's Fight Pass on their package for getting UFCs and watching video and stuff. Invicta's part of it, so look for Invicta to get sucked in and purchased or be part of UFC in short order. A lot on the women's front. I've seen some lines pop up at the books at the last minute on some of the women's fights in both sports. Would like to see that improve. These fights are already on the books. Let those bookmakers get to work. Talk to you soon.